Hi, I'm Richard Kelley, Coldwell Banker Property Specialist, Newport Beach. Ceilings, walls, and painting. Check all the ceilings for water stains. Sometimes old leaks leave stains even after you've repaired the leak. Of course, if you do have a leak, you will have to get it repaired, whether it is a plumbing problem or the roof leaks. Now you should do the same for walls, looking not only for stains, but also areas where dirt has accumulated and you just may not have noticed. Plus, you may have an outdated color scheme. So painting can be your best investment when selling your home. It's not a very expensive operation and you can often do it yourself. Do not choose colors based on your own preferences, but based on what would appeal to the widest possible number of buyers. You should almost always choose an off-white color because white helps your room appear bright and spacious. Costs of repairs. Do not do anything expensive, such as remodeling. If possible, use savings to pay for any repairs and improvements. Do not go charging up credit cards or obtaining new loans. Remember that part of selling a house is also preparing to buy your next one. You do not want to do anything that will affect your credit scores or hurt your ability to qualify for your next mortgage. If you have any questions, I would love to hear from you, so contact me anytime directly. Proper market exposure is critical. When a home stays on the market too long, buyers perceive it to be a lesser valued home. I can help you succeed in the sale of your home, getting you the highest dollar amount for you in today's competitive market price.